Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SOUNDCORE Space One headphones, and today I'm going to tell you how you can easily install this app for your Android phone and how you can easily set up your headphones with it. First we have to enter the settings Play Store in our Android phone, and here we have to enter search. In the search bar we have to search for SOUNDCORE, like the name of the company. Here the second option you can see is SOUNDCORE from Anker. We have to tap the install button on this application. It may take a while, so don't worry. And now our application is almost here. Now it's opened. We have to tap agree and continue. Now we can log into our account, but we wouldn't have to. I'll skip this process. Don't hope for notifications and on device. Now I do recommend, before doing this whole process, to be paired with your headphones. Here allow searching. We are searching for our headphones now. Here we have the SOUNDCORE Space One. Let's tap on that, and yeah, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.